After all the wait and after all the excitement, finally, YouTube Go Beta is now available for users to try out in India. Now, it's a redesigned version of YouTube Go, which was announced last September. And this app is primarily made or developed keeping in mind the Indian audience, which is very data conscious, or audience who are there in areas of poor connectivity. Right. So we'll start out, we'll go in and do a complete review of the app. I'll tell you some little more features about it. But let's go ahead. So you go in the Play Store, you type YouTube Go. YouTube Go. It's there. So I've already installed it. You go there. This is the icon that you can see. Now I've already installed it. First of all, it gives you the option to select your language. Now that's a very good move from YouTube, because a lot of people, they love or they prefer to use apps and applications in their own native language. So they have a lot of options varying from English, Hindi, Bangla, Kannada, Gujarati, Malayalam. Nice. So I'll go ahead with English. There are some basic steps as to how to use this app, what to use while you are doing this app, and what are the things that you need to take care of. We'll click next. And the first part that it comes is that you have to register it via your registered mobile number. So I'll go ahead and enter my number, my email ID, verify. So it will send an OTP to my phone, which I'll have to enter it, and then all the thing takes place. So the OTP has been received, and I've already entered it. So with all set and done, let's go ahead and use this app. So there are, as you can see, it's a very minimalistic, interface, which has two options, mainly home or saved. So I do not have any option or any videos saved right now. So let's see. I'll go ahead and see. And this is the basic, recommendations for videos. Maybe it's because of the geography that I am in that it is showing me all these apps, because I clearly do not see remember watching these apps. So yeah. So let's go ahead and see how it works. I'll go ahead and save this video, 10 WWE returns that are rumored for 2017. I'll go ahead. Now the first thing that it shows is the preview of the video. What is in store for me if I decide to watch this video. And after that, it gives me two options as to what option or resolution do I want to save it or play it. So somebody, for example, who has a pack which gives them 300 MB or 400 MB of data, they can easily decide to go ahead with the basic quality. Or if someone like me is there on Wi-Fi, they can always go ahead and do it on standard quality. So let's go ahead and do it on basic quality. I'll just save the video, and it's being added to saved videos. By the time I'll see why my Wi-Fi is not connected. So the video has been saved. As you can see there, it is there in saved. I'll go ahead, I'll save it, and now I'll play it. I can play it completely without any need of switching on the data or anything. Now we're going to talk about the second best feature of this app. So what I can do is, even if I do not have any data or anything, I can locally share these videos with friends or whatever, who has basically a YouTube app. I can just go ahead and share it with them, and they can receive it and they can play it, and no data will be consumed other than just 15 KB of data, which is kind of a security check that the app does for videos that are received from other phones. And apart than that, there would be no data usage whatsoever, and 15 KB is something that everybody can afford. So I'll just go ahead and see if I can send it. Right. So I want to send it. So this is setting up the hotspot, and if some phone is nearby me, they can always set up their connect to my hotspot and receive videos. I'm gonna deny it because I do not have any phone near me. So this is pretty much it. Let's see settings if there are new features. So apart than this, there are no features as such, and I'm going to repeat again There are basically, this is for people who are, very data conscious, who live in areas where there is very poor connectivity, and still they would want to be updated with each and everything which is going on YouTube, or the videos that are uploaded, and would want to see in the latest, the smallest resolution. They're okay with that. So this app is for those people. Or for example, I have Wi-Fi at my home, and I have downloaded certain videos from YouTube, and I would like to share it with my friends. I can easily go ahead and do that. So this is pretty much how the app works. This is pretty much how the app is. If you have any questions whatsoever, please let me know in the comment section, and I'll try to answer them with the best of my intelligence. Until then, thank you.